Assalamualaikum viewers, this is me Abdullah from Creative Tech Academy, and in today's our intermediate chemistry class we will learn about the chemical reactions of the period tree elements. Today we will study about the chemical reactions of period tree elements. First of all, we will study the reactions with water. So first of all, sodium element, if we react the element sodium with water, cold water, then the reaction will be exothermic reaction, and exothermic reaction is a reaction in which a lot of heat is produced when the element is reacted with the water, and the hydrogen gas is eliminated. So if we react 2 mole of sodium with 2 mole of water H2O, then the reaction will be 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. As a result, 2 mole of sodium hydroxide is produced, and a byproduct hydrogen gas is produced. This reaction is a very exothermic reaction, and in this reaction the hydrogen gas which is liberated catches fire, Now if we react the magnesium with water, in this reaction the magnesium has a very slight reaction with cold water, slight reaction with cold water. But if we react the magnesium with the stream of water, then it burns with the typical white flame and produce hydrogen. So let's see the reaction. If we get 1 mole of magnesium and 2 mole of H2O, then after the reaction magnesium hydroxide is produced, and as a byproduct hydrogen gas is produced. For this purpose we drop a clean coil of magnesium into cold water, and it gets covered with the small bubbles of hydrogen which float to the surface, and as a result the magnesium hydroxide is produced, which is also known as milk of magnesia. And it is used in medicines. The next reaction is with the steam. Magnesium reacts with streams of water and produce magnesium oxide. and as a byproduct hydrogen gas is produced. If we react aluminium with the heated steam, it produces hydrogen and aluminium oxide. This reaction is relatively slow because of the strong aluminium layer on the metal and formation of more oxide during the reaction. More oxide is formed during the reaction, and this oxide layer acts as a protective layer, and as a result the reaction is slower. Now if we react 2 moles of aluminium with 3 moles of water H2O, then the reaction is aluminium trioxide Al2O3, and the hydrogen is produced as a byproduct. If we react chlorine with water, it dissolves in water to some extent, and the result a green solution is formed. This is a reversible reaction, and it takes place to produce a mixture of hydrochloric acid known as HCl and hypochlorous acid HOCl is produced. The reaction is as follows: Cl2 plus H2O, and it produces hydrochloric acid HCl and hypochlorous acid HOCl. This is known as hydrochloric acid. And this is known as hypochlorous acid. If we further react the hypochlorous acid in the presence of sunlight, it slowly decomposes to produce more hydrochloric acid and releases oxygen gas. The reaction is as follows: 2HOCl, 2 mole of hypochlorous acid, and in the presence of sunlight, it produces further 2 mole of hydrochloric acid and releases oxygen. And if we react phosphorus, sulphur and argon, there will be no reaction because these elements do not react with water. Phosphorus, sulphur and argon they do not react with water.